Hey everyone, this is Sabrina. Welcome back to my channel. I am excited to put together day 9 and I am using a funny photo of my kids. I've mentioned in the past that I like to capture their relationship and, the brother-sister bond, and I don't try to stage the photo, and this photo is definitely not staged. I was doing an evening workout and they just started playing Pokémon Go together, and I tried to get a picture, but as you can see, it didn't quite work. My son just covered up his face. And you know what? I'm just going to go with that photo. I decided to frame in that photo with one of the chipboard frames and then just use some of my punches and some of the papers and create kind of a visual triangle with 3 different clusters of the punched papers. I'm also taking another chipboard frame and a journaling card, and I'm going to use that at the bottom to kind of journal about the photo and just about what my kids were doing. I was having a hard time picking like my main paper that was going to be a 2-inch circle. I had the plaid paper, but eventually I decided to go with the green. I just felt like the green was a little bit more neutral and not such a very bold in-your-face pattern. So I'm going to have this cluster over here with the green, and then I'll have the green X's pattern, and then the kind of dot pattern one is going to be a scallop. And then of course the black scripted paper as well that I love so much. Added in a chipboard star, and then I put the frame on top of this photo. And then my power went out. This was during a really bad storm, so you don't see me put this on my page, but I did adhere it down, and now I'm kind of just adjusting my camera after I got my power back, and then I can put this all together. I'm just going to scoot up the pieces I haven't put down yet, tuck in that green circle right there. That way it can kind of be a good spot for the 9. I put down the other circles first to kind of figure out where I wanted the 9. Quickly realized that the 9 is going to need some red line tape, and painstakingly ripped those little tiny pieces off. Those are really hard for my arthritis to get those little pieces off. So if you guys have a suggestion for a better adhesive, let me know in the comments. I would love that. So I put down in the bottom where the story card is going to be, I put another little cluster with the green and the black, and then the dot as well. And when I was punching out my shapes for the black scripted words, I kind of just made sure that I got either random words or like this one here, I put it exactly on this. And that was intentional, so that way it could be near the journaling card. I kind of measured my journaling card to see where the start of the journaling needed to be, because the frame takes up some of the journaling space. And I just write about how my kids don't necessarily hang out together all the time because there's a big age difference. But lately, it's been a lot of hanging out together in the backyard and playing games together. And then Pokemon Go definitely brings them together. Do you have kids, you guys? And if you do they hang out? Leave me a comment in the comment section and let me know if your kids hang out or if they just fight like cats and dogs, like mine do sometimes. Oh my goodness. And up at the top, I use the leftover section of that frame. And I'm going to go ahead and use another piece of the journaling card to kind of just journal exactly what that photo is about, trying to capture them playing Pokemon Go and enjoying popcorn. But of course, I didn't get like quote unquote the perfect picture, but I love this one so much because it's just really my teen right now and it's just the best. I decided to get some of those puffy stickers and use those. And so I took the one that says stories and added some foam. And then I'm going to use some of the puffy sticker stars and wrap up this page. And then next to it, I will make a filler page that I kind of needed to make in order for me to be able to do the day 10, which is 10 on 10. And I had the Pam Baldwin pre-prepped page. You'll see that tomorrow in another video. So this is kind of a filler page with a photo of the first lights that we went to go see. I had a leftover piece of the black scripted paper and it said love this season. So I just positioned it exactly where I needed it and I love it. It's a great foundation piece to kind of anchor down that photo. We just went to 2 houses and kept it really simple for our first little light visit. Sure, my kids would have probably preferred to stay on the couch, but thankfully they rallied together for their mom so that way we could go see these houses, because I just love looking at lights. And so that's what I'm writing about on the star. And then I'll add in 3 of the glitter stars and a few more puffy stickers and some more journaling down at the bottom, and call it done. So a simple, easy page, and I like how both of these have a lot of white space. So I brought them back together just to kind of see what else I need. Decided that I would use the word wonder, and that way both pages have a title word on them. And then the bottom, I just talk about the 2 houses in particular. Like, one of the houses is fully decked out with a light show and a radio station, and it's a really awesome place to go see. And then this one right here is going to be featured on the Great Christmas Light Fight show, I guess, soon. So that was interesting, and they did the whole Frozen theme this year with all the lights. So a lot of fun to just go see those 2 houses in the evening, and that will wrap up these 2 pages. Simple pages for day 9, and then a filler page, and I hope you guys have enjoyed seeing these ones come together. I would love a thumbs up or a subscribe if you are new to my channel and want to keep seeing my videos. All right, have a great day. Bye.